Hey there, this is me. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a project, a ping pong project. So let's create a new project. So this is what you should be doing if you're following in Scratch. You should be picking a background. So you can choose. You have thousands to choose. I'll choose the neon tunnel. So we're gonna pick an act. This is the ball. I put it there. So the ball, you have to put on start, put forever. Then it's gonna move 10 steps. And it's gonna be if on each balance. And it's gonna be over here. Press 0.5 seconds. And so let's try it out. I guess I'll have a problem here. This is what the ping pong game might look like. Now we're gonna be skipping the video. We're gonna yep. This is what you should be doing. I forgot. Instead, put away waste your weights, just put it back. And by doing that, you just put your weight and put it in here. Then you could put a point in direction and put it to 45. Then you should add a paddle. Click on the character like you did with the ball and go and search. Pad. That. So this is gonna be what we're doing. It says here for the paddle, you should do on start, forever, set X to mouse X. So let's try it out. Now here's a problem we need to fix. We need to fix that the ball, when it touches the paddle, it should go away and bounce continue. So what we're going to be doing is put the next step and select on the ball and do this. Now we don't have to do this one because it's a long code, so I'll just do it and then you'll repeat after me. This is what you should be doing for now, but I'll put some more stuff. Now, and wait 0.5. This is what you should be doing. Now make a variable. Go to variables and make a variable. So it says here to make a new variable name. put score. Then press OK. Now change. You need to set. Change score. And put that up here. Now put one green flag, then set it to score. Okay, so we've done it. Now we should add one. We call this a line. Put the line down there. Okay, now do what I'm doing, because this might be too much. Oh. Ball, then stop all. Now, I think we're almost done. It's done. I hope you had a good time watching me. Now remember, the background you can choose. It's now or never.